as part of technical analysis for beginners. Today we are going to see about parallel channel pattern, how to identify this pattern, what are the rules for this pattern, and we are going to see some examples as well. Good evening friends, my name is Sabari Sitaraman. Let's go in. There are two kinds of channels. One is ascending channel, which you see in the left, and descending channel, which you see in the right. Ascending channel always break out in the downside, descending channel always break out in the upside. So similar to trend lines, first 1 and 2 help us to identify this pattern and draw this pattern, and 3 and 4 we do the entry. Like for ascending channel, in the bottom you do the buy and in the top you do the sell, and number 5 will be the breakout. Similarly for descending channel, number 1, number 2 will help us to identify this pattern and draw this pattern, and for number 3 and number 4 we do the entry, and number 5 will be the breakout. So number 3, in the bottom side of the number 3 we do buying, and in the top side we do the selling. So what are the rules related to this channel? So as I said, 1 and 2 forms the channel, 3 and 4 will be the entry, 5 will be the breakout. Normally we trade within the channel, within that range bound channel, and for breakout we check the trend reversal. Once the trend reversal is identified, we'll go ahead and trade or play with the breakout as well. Stop loss for this will be based on supply and demand zone, and wick measurement stop loss is also there. I'll explain you with example. And targets should be based on the extremes within the channel. I mentioned, right? Targets, the upper line and lower line are the targets depending on whether you are buying or selling. Let's go with some examples. So here I drawn some channels for TDOC. Here we see this is number 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5 is a breakout. And similarly we have parallel channel right now in Apple script. So here we see here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5th will be the breakout. So normally for ascending channel, breakout will be in the downside, but here it seems the buying pressure is more in the upside, so I expect this to break out in the top, because you see the higher high is formed when I draw the trend line. When I draw the trend line, higher high is formed, so I expect this to break out in the upside. So even for TDOC, there is a channel right now. In the present market, there is a channel.